Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and I am working through my Craft Kitsune projects. This is one, they don't just do resin. They have needle felting and some other things. And this is a kit I bought. It's going to be making a like a diorama vignette to a little room. And I've been wanting to learn how to do stuff like this. So again, it's just trying to... I would love to be making dollhouse furniture, you know, things like that. These are extra little kits that they have that you can purchase, and there's three or four other varieties that you can get. Let's just open this up and see what all we have. Check the directions. It's always good to check the directions and see if there's anything else that I need. Okay, so I've got my little furniture. I have all my little plants, leaves. Looks like some trim. Wood stuff. Oh, there's the sticker. Okay, we've got some instructions. And they're numbered. They're not in English. But I think we can still do this. Alright. Yep. Looks like just step by step. On how to do things. But I am going to guess that I need a glue gun. So I'm going to go get a glue gun. And I'm going to get started on this, and I'll let you just kind of see the progress as we make. I don't think you're going to be all that flipped about watching me take all my pieces and gluing them and, you know, burning my fingers and different things. Which I really hope you guys don't do that. But alright. Let's leave the instructions out here. I'm going to go get my glue gun. And we will start putting this together. Keep your fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Alright, I have my glue gun. This is a Sure Bonder, and I love the little charging station it has, so I can, you know, just take it off and use it wherever I want to. Put it back on, and we're good to go. So we're ready on that. I figured the little silicone mat that comes with the resin crafting will do nicely to protect my table. Don't forget, if you looked in the description, there will be a link. Use my link and you'll get $8 off your first box. And I will say, so far I am enjoying my Craft Kitsune purchases. Both the subscription boxes and also the little extra that I bought. Well, I guess I'll let you know in a little bit if I like the extra thing that I bought. So anyway, we're going to get started. I'm going to look at the pictures, and then I'll come back every so often and let you see the progress. But I think I'll put a movie in the TV and make sure my glue gun is hot, and we'll just keep putting stuff together. Be back in a few. Alright, so without a whole lot of trouble, so far so good. And it does give you the how many centimeters down, so you do need to have something with centimeters. And I will say that the little scissors that came with the little introductory kit are very good. They were marvelous for helping me cut this part. And the door, it's not a sticker. It was just cardboard, but easy enough to handle with my rotary cutter. So far so good. And now we're going to move on to the next page of instructions. So far so good. I did get a boo-boo with the hot glue gun, so please be careful if you're using hot glue. And of course the beauty of this is I can, you know, follow their directions a little bit, but I can do my own thing. So almost finished. I have hot glue strings everywhere, but there's some of my flowers. And I have a little basket. Alright, so let me get this finished, and I'll be back in a few. And ta-da! I love it. And it shows in the picture to put one of the flower bowls on the table, but I was thinking it needed a little teacup. Listen, I kind of did a couple things on my the way I wanted it. But there you go. And that is one of the little miniature vignettes kits that I got from the Craft Kitsune. And as I said, that's another one I've been really wanting to do, is to make little dioramas or different things. So when I saw they had those, I indulged. So that is another project done from my Craft Kitsune subscription boxes and the add-ons. And I am very pleased. And I had a wonderful time doing it, minus the hot glue gun injury to the thumb. So please be careful if you're using hot glue. Recommendation, make sure you have some tweezers, some sharp nippers, and a measuring tape or a ruler that does centimeters. So good to know, good to know. Alright. Well, I just may have to see what I can do about making another one of these sometime. Well, I hope you've, kind of enjoyed seeing my progress. And I hope that you will check out the Craft Kitsune kits. So far, I'm very happy. And we'll just keep on going. Keep crafting, keep making, keep creating. Try to stay young, at least young at heart. And we'll just meet you on the other side there. Check us out on Facebook, CrazyDavesCrew, the Crazy D Ranch. We do have some bunnies that you can take a look at. And I do some sewing videos and some other crafting videos. So don't forget to check us out. Don't forget to check out our other videos. And I hope I'll see you next time right here on CrazyDavesCrew. Thanks for watching.